Welcome to AMA2024 event. Advanced Manufacturing in Aerospace. A conference based on the manufacturing processes for cheap removal applied to aerospace sector. We deal with CNC machining of mechanical parts with complex geometry, also generated by additive manufacturing. We review together application cases on space components, directly and machining systems. All the applications are the result of the partnership between MAPAL, that is the tools providers, and Sòphia High Tech, technological user. So the aerospace parts have been developed and realized by Sòphia through milling and drilling tools, tailorized by MAPAL.